When personal safety is the priority, having the right tool on hand makes all the difference. A quality, compact stun gun slips easily into a bag or pocket, activates in an instant, and delivers enough stopping power to neutralize a threat when it matters most. In this video, we cover the 5 best compact stun guns on the market right now. You'll find current pricing and purchase links down in the description below. Let's get into it. The SABRE 2-in-1 stun gun earns its place on this list by delivering real versatility without sacrificing simplicity. Its 2.517 microamp charge is engineered to produce intense, overwhelming discomfort that halts an attacker without causing permanent damage. Slide the integrated safety switch upward to arm the device, or lock it down during everyday carry to eliminate any risk of accidental discharge. The standout feature here is the onboard 130 LM LED flashlight. Whether you're navigating a dark parking structure at night or trying to disorient a would-be aggressor with the strobe function, this added layer of capability is genuinely useful. The included belt holster keeps the device within arm's reach whenever urgency strikes. Powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, a short USB charging session restores it to full readiness without the need to stock up on disposable cells. The TASER Pulse 2 is the kind of device that impresses from the moment you open the box. The unit itself sports a durable, textured polymer finish that handles everyday bumps and drops without showing signs of wear. The complete package includes the Pulse 2 unit, a padded carry sleeve for secure transport, a conductive practice target for building accuracy, a rechargeable lithium battery, and 2 live cartridges. Out in the field, the 15-foot range keeps you at a safe distance from any threat, while the built-in laser sight takes the guesswork out of aiming under pressure. A successful probe connection triggers up to 30 seconds of neuromuscular incapacitation, giving you critical time to escape and contact emergency services. If the situation turns close range, a quick flick of the safety lever converts it to a direct contact stun device. Weighing just 8 ounces with an ergonomic grip, it rides comfortably on your belt or inside a pocket without becoming a hassle. The SABRE Self-Defense Kit takes a thoughtful approach by pairing 2 distinct tools into one cohesive personal safety solution. The .54-ounce pepper spray canister delivers an impressive 25 bursts, roughly 5 times the output of many comparable products, and projects a stream up to 10 feet away, keeping you well out of striking range. Built into the formula is a UV marking dye that assists law enforcement in identifying and tracking suspects after an incident. Complementing the spray is a teal 2-in-1 stun gun with a 1.60 microamp charge, a manual safety switch, and 120 LM LED flashlight that functions as both an illumination tool and a disorienting strobe. The rechargeable battery connects via USB, making upkeep straightforward and cost-effective over time. A dedicated holster holds both tools securely in place, so neither is fumbled for during a high-stress moment. The TASER Bolt 2 was clearly designed with the everyday commuter in mind. Its low-profile shape and understated matte finish help it blend in seamlessly, yet underneath sits the same dependable technology that professionals in law enforcement have relied on for years. A battery-powered LED and precision laser guidance round out a package that quietly projects reliability. The 15-foot range maintains a comfortable buffer between you and danger. Pulling the trigger unleashes a full 30-second NMI technology lockup, giving you enough time to get clear and seek assistance. Should you ever need to leave the device at the scene, Axon backs it with their Safe Escape Replacement Guarantee, a free replacement within 1 year of use, contingent on submitting a police report and proof of purchase. The kit arrives with the Bolt 2 unit, 2 preloaded cartridges, a wrist strap, and extra batteries, covering everything from practice sessions to real-world carry. Rounding out the list is the Stunner Safety Device, a genuine all-in-one solution for those who prefer to carry a single capable tool rather than multiple separate ones. This 3-in-1 unit integrates a stun gun, pepper spray canister, and flashlight into one streamlined body compact enough to fit in a roomy pocket or purse. It weighs just over a pound and includes a wrist strap for a more secure hold during use. Open it up and you're greeted by a 280 mm beam strong enough to light a path or temporarily blind someone advancing towards you. A simple twist mechanism releases the pepper spray, deploying an irritating mist that affects the eyes, nose, and throat for as long as 45 minutes, ample time to create distance and escape. When an attacker gets uncomfortably close, squeezing the trigger sends a 1.2 microamp shock through reinforced prongs that penetrate clothing and deliver enough pain to stop someone in their tracks. Recharge the internal battery with USB-C and replace pepper spray cartridges as they're used up. Compact, capable, and straightforward. And that wraps up our countdown of the 5 best compact stun guns for personal protection. Thanks for watching today. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and if you found this guide useful, go ahead and pass it along to someone who might benefit from it.